I eat bread.
I eat bread.
I don't eat bread.
I don't eat bread.
He drinks milk.
He drinks milk.
He doesn't drink milk.
He doesn't drink milk.
I have eaten an apple.
I have eaten an apple.
I haven't eaten an apple.
I haven't eaten an apple.
She has opened the door.
She has opened the door.
She hasn't opened the door.
She hasn't opened the door.
I am happy.
I am happy.
I am not happy.
I am not happy.
You are hungry.
You are hungry.
You are not hungry.
You are not hungry.
I was at home yesterday.
I was at home yesterday.
I was not at home yesterday.
I was not at home yesterday.
You were kind.
You were kind.
You were not kind.
You were not kind.
I walked to school.
I walk to school.
I don't walk to school.
I don't walk to school.
You run fast.
You run fast.
You don't run fast.
You don't run fast.
He cooks dinner.
He cooks dinner.
He doesn't cook dinner.
He doesn't cook dinner.
She drinks tea.
She drinks tea.
She doesn't drink tea.
She doesn't drink tea.
You have my pen.
You have my pen.
You don't have my pen.
You don't have my pen.
She has drunk water today.
She has drunk water today.
She has not drunk water today. She has not drunk water today. He is in the kitchen.
He is in the kitchen.
He is not in the kitchen.
He is not in the kitchen.
She is tired.
She is tired.
She is not tired.
She is not tired.
He was in the car.
He was not in the car.
He was not in the car.
He was not in the car.
She was a good singer.
She was a good singer.
She was not a good singer.
She was not a good singer.
We were at the market.
We were at the market.
We were not at the market.
We were not at the market.
They were happy then.
They were happy then.
They were not happy then.
They were not happy then.
I was in the garden.
I was in the garden.
I was not in the garden.
I was not in the garden.
He was awake.
He was awake.
He was not awake.
He was not awake.
I walk every day.
I walk every day.
I don't walk every day.
I don't walk every day.
You run in the morning.
You run in the morning.
You don't run in the morning.
You don't run in the morning.
You read a book.
You read a book.
You don't read a book.
You don't read a book.
She plays with a ball.
She plays with a ball.
She doesn't play with a ball.
She doesn't play with a ball.
We run in the park.
We run in the park.
We don't run in the park.
We don't run in the park.
They sit on the chairs.
They sit on the chairs.
They don't sit on the chairs.
They don't sit on the chairs.
You have visited my home.
You have visited my home.
You have not visited my home.
You have not visited my home.
He has watched the movie.
He has watched the movie.
He has not watched the movie.
He has not watched the movie.
We have finished our work.
We have finished our work.
We have not finished our work.
We have not finished our work.
They have cleaned the room.
They have cleaned the room.
They have not cleaned the room.
They have not cleaned the room.
He is tall.
He is tall.
He is not tall.
He is not tall.
She is ready.
She is ready.
She is not ready.
She is not ready.
They are my friends.
They are my friends.
They are not my friends.
They are not my friends.
He plays the guitar.
He doesn't play the guitar.
He doesn't play the guitar.
He doesn't play the guitar.
She sings a song.
She sings a song.
She doesn't sing a song.
She doesn't sing a song.
We dance together.
We dance together.
We don't dance together.
We don't dance together.
They study English.
They study English.
They don't study English.
They don't study English.
I have eaten lunch.
I have eaten lunch.
I have not eaten lunch.
I have not eaten lunch.
I eat cookies.
I eat cookies.
I don't eat cookies.
I don't eat cookies.
She drinks water.
She drinks water.
She doesn't drink water.
She doesn't drink water.
He plays football.
He plays football.
He doesn't play football.
He doesn't play football.